Have a Football Frenzy ticket? Here's how to follow along. Football Frenzy can run for 5, 8, 10, or all 18 weeks of the pro season, where each week you can win cash prizes if your ticket is the highest or lowest scoring ticket. For this example, we'll follow a 5-week ticket. If you look at the central panel, you'll see that this ticket is valid for the first 5 weeks of the NFL season. Below the dates, you can see 3 team codes for each week. On the back of the ticket, there's a key that shows you the team codes and their respective teams. Each week, you are awarded points equal to your team's scores. It doesn't matter if they win or lose. In this example for Week 1, the Los Angeles Rams scored 52, the Cincinnati Bengals scored 47, and the New York Giants scored 41. These scores are added up for a total of 140. All team score combinations are added up and compared to determine winners. Here you can see that this fundraiser offers a total of $1,000 in cash prizes, with $200 awarded each week for the first 5 weeks of the pro season. If the total score on your ticket for this week is 140 and it turns out to be the highest, second highest, third highest, or lowest score of the week, you'll win a cash prize. If your ticket is a winner, you'll automatically receive your prize in the mail. Want to check if you're a winner? Visit footballsweeps.com. With your ticket on hand, find the access code located here. You can enter this code in this field here to check if your ticket won. If you have multiple tickets, the easiest way to check all of them at once is to create an account. You simply just click on the ticket number and then click results on the ticket pop-up. This will take you to the results page where you can see where your ticket placed each week. Here you can see that this ticket won first place on Week 3. You can also click the winner's trophy here to get an overview of each week's winning tickets. The great part about all of our fundraisers is that you don't have to check your tickets. If you're a winner, you'll automatically receive your prize in the mail. If you're interested in running your own fundraiser, we offer programs throughout the year that follow the most popular sports. Thank you for participating in the Football Frenzy fundraiser. If you have any questions or wish to learn more, please feel free to contact us or scan the QR code.